family man in the Philippines. I want to give a big shout out to my latest subscriber. I believe pronunciation is Chin Chinin. Thank you for subscribing. This last Monday I had a motorcycle accident and a trip to the hospital in an ambulance. So that was a new experience and adventure for me. I'm okay. Motorcycle got cracked up pretty bad. Real big truck ran into the motorcycle myself. Knocked me about 5 feet away from the motorcycle on my back. Good thing I wear a helmet. My head bounced on the pavement. Before the trip, the ambulance drivers, they put a neck brace on me and a splint on my right leg. I don't know if you can see the bruise or not, but the bruise is right there. My whole upper leg is sore and still in pain. Anyways, onto the video of the ambulance and the hospital, the secret video.
I'm at Butuan Medical Center because I had an accident on my motorcycle driving down the road and a big green truck pulled right up into me on the front left bumper. And my right leg up in the femur or thigh area is hurting whenever it gets moved very badly. The police officer was here, borrowed my driver's license until I could make it over to the police station to do the report, but still wondering where my shoes are at. So this is the room they have me in temporarily. I'm assuming that what they're doing is I'm waiting for them to come and take me for an x-ray of my leg, make sure things are not broken. Not too bad of a room. Looks like my roomie that I had over here, they took him in a wheelchair and took him somewhere. The police station I have to go to is over by St. Joseph Catholic Church, which is over by the plaza area, to file a report and I guess other things. So I'll figure that out, I suppose, when I get over there. They might be waiting until tomorrow before I come visit with them, but I'm sure that'll be fine. So, until the next part of the video, we'll see you later.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Dinaso, sir, no? Dinaso?
Dinaso?
I already referred your case to our doctor. He told me that you are going to undergo x-ray. X-ray here at your right thigh and then your pelvis to check if there's any fracture.
X-ray.
The problem is you don't have any watcher, significant other to process for the payment for the x-ray.
Well, how much is process of x-ray?
That I do not know. We have x-ray outside. I am not exactly acquainted of their prices.
Butuan Doctor Hospital, 350 peso. Butuan Doctor Hospital, 350 peso.
What's that? 300, what
For
is
x-ray.
I don't know. I'm going to ask them how much is the x-ray. Huh? Okay.
So it seems, according to that conversation, they don't want to process me because they do not have significant other to take care of bill for x-ray. So he's going to go find out how much x-ray is going to cost because I do have some pesos in my wallet. At the hallway at the x-ray area, 649 pesos, pelvic and thigh for femur x-ray. Let's see if I can get them in the background making change for me. Yeah, I think the intern noticed I was doing a video, or just didn't want to be on it, so he kind of tried to cover his face with paper. Supposed to come back with my receipt for my payment. Bird's eye view of the x-ray machine. They're going to take pictures of my leg. There's a safety room. Of course, I have to be in here with the radiation. Alright, finished with x-ray, 3 x-rays, doctor bill, 649 pesos. I think like 142 for the doctor, the rest for the other x-rays. Now I'm sitting back in the room, waiting for the doctor to come in and visit with me and let me know I have no broken bones. And I know that. A lot of pain though.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, click the like button, leave a comment. Be safe out there on the roads, and have a great day.